Hi, I'm Myra Kornfeld. I'm a chef instructor at the Natural Gourmet Institute in New York City. Today's recipe is guacamole with pears, grapes, and pomegranates. In Mexico, it's traditional to mix guacamole with whatever seasonal fruit looks good. So here's my ingredients. I'm starting out with some ripe avocados, some lime juice, salt, cilantro, serrano chilies, scallions, and I have strawberries because today when I went to the market, the strawberries looked really great, so that's what I swapped out. I have a cup, so feel free to do that yourself. Whatever looks good is going to go great in your guacamole. So the first step is to cut open the avocados. I like to just take my knife, cut it open, and squish out the fruit. So I'm going to take my fork here, and I don't need too much equipment for this, just a fork, and take your pick whether you want to use a wooden spoon or a rubber spatula to mix this up. I'm starting with lime juice and some salt. A teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of lime juice. It's just perfect for 2 avocados. So I'm fork mashing this to give it a head start, and then I'm adding in my essential guacamole ingredients. 1/4 cup of cilantro, 2 serrano chilies that I've minced quite finely, and 1/4 cup of scallions. I'm mixing this together. I want to mix it well before I fold in the fruit because that part you want to be kind of delicate with. Avocado is so beautiful mixed with the strawberries, beautiful contrast, and it's so healthy too. So many great antioxidants, vitamin C and vitamin E, and it's stunning and delicious. So now I'm going to set this aside while I cut up the jicama chips. I have here my jicama. This looks like a big starchy root, but it's so crispy and fresh and you want to eat it raw. And I love to shave it with my wide mouth peeler. It takes off a big chunk right away, and it's so easy to peel this way. So once I peel it, I cut it down the middle so I could anchor it to the board and it's safe. And now I'm going to cut it into chips. And you could cut these as thin as you like because it's crispy and firm and it'll hold the guacamole really well. Now I can plate this guacamole, and I'm going to make a big bowl of this. I love to make this all the way from Cinco de Mayo all through the summer. It's such a great light snack, and the jicama chips make this super light and extra healthy. So remember, you could take this guacamole base and mix it with whatever fruit is seasonal and luscious. So in the summer, I like to make it with strawberries, but then when we go into autumn, I love the combination of pears, grapes, and pomegranates. So that's how you make guacamole with pears, grapes, and pomegranates with your own seasonal twist. I'm Myra Kornfeld. I'm a chef instructor at the Natural Gourmet Institute in New York City.